Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Pavoni Stradivari espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a bit of work as it was brought. When it was brought here, customers say that the machine was overheating and that the lever was not dispensing the full 1 ounce of water that it's supposed to dispense. And the overheating issue was because the pressure stat was faulty and it was not it was overheating the machine. It was not stopping the heating element from heating up when the machine reached a certain pressure. So we had to replace that. And we also, sorry about that, we also had to replace the LED light that you see right here. This one was not working, especially when the machine was ready. The pressure stat releases a signal that to this LED that the machine is ready and it will light up green. This one was out and we had to replace that too. And we also had to replace the group head sleeve. Now this sleeve, as you can see, has a crack right there. It's pretty visible from this angle, and that is definitely not good, especially because the gaskets slide up and down over here, and this is the chamber where the water fills up and where you get to push and extract coffee. So we had to replace that one too, including the gasket. And we also had to replace one of the both of the screws of the machine, as one of them was completely corroded from one side and it was not entering this specific one, this one to be precise. It was not entering smoothly and we had to replace it. And we just did a tune-up on this machine, replacing the little gaskets, servicing the piston, making sure that the piston was correctly connected to the press head, and also replace the side glass gaskets of the side glass and the steamer gaskets. So yeah, we did a nice steady tune-up on this machine. So starting with 1 shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing it out. Hopefully I pick up the right grind settings of this machine, otherwise we're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. Beautiful shot of espresso coming out of this machine. As you can see, that crema looks amazing, really smooth. Going to depressurize a bit the machine to have the portafilter not sneeze. As you can see, nice extraction and an excellent shot of espresso coming up from this machine. Same for this machine. As you can hear, it's pretty nice and steady. We don't get to see that much because, well, it's hot in the shop over here and we have the door closed. But it's a nice steady steam coming out of the machine. Excellent pressure. So there you have it. Pavoni Stradivari working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repaying me Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.